Good evening, now welcome on top of the night show for today.
Not great now.
May not bless you, not great, and I'm not gonna be like say quarrel day. Today we'll go discuss something where I talk. Easy bit if you remember that thing where I've been talk on Monday about work.
Okay.
I can't remember that thing where I talk. One topic where the person send where I say we go discuss on Thursday.
And I remember you shall talk.
I not remember with the thing, but I know what it be.
They remember the tweets now, be.
If you not remember the thing where I talk up, the topic where I say we go discuss today, make you tweet them to us right now at Dublin Night Show. I not read the story again.
My mind, I believe you just get answer.
My mind, I believe I go remember them. And as you see that all those one will sit down, they try to think, I'm saying, what be that person message you they send? What be that person message? What be that person message? It get to do with work, Sha. I know it get to do with work, but I not remember the story. But anyway,
if you can't remember that, you don't start another one. What's going to happen?
Another story day. But if you remember them, we go join them together.
You know, see me and they talk about some way you go carry broom for morning, go knock the head of your broom, go sing for your neighbor. All this kind of God being song.
God win. where I grew up for Kakuri, for P5 for Gora Street, for inside Kaduna. He get one woman where they for inside the yard. They call him patient. Now, patient marry one man. His name na Ike.
They do what you call that. I don't tell me you don't call their name now.
The guy na my guy. You know what's
up?
You're
very guy.
My very guy. Now, I'm not gonna talk the story where lead to them marry. But the guy finally married. Before we move, come out. Because you know say I've been a park, we park. You know the guy you take park.
You share yours come out.
Before we come out for the house, that woman, oh, that correct person, no nice person. But
no,
when she dey quarrel, on a good and a nice person, no. But when she dey quarrel with you, she from Agbo. Kira for Agbo na waiting. Okay. Then they get one song where she go dey play. Kira, Kira. Kira, Denije. Kira, Denije, whoa, Kira. Then, if
you think remember
wait,
this song?
I remember that one because she'd always quarrel. If she won't come quarrel with you now, like easy beat, she heard the sweep. Kira, easy beat. Kira, Denije, whoa, Kira. Then, if she dey waka, maybe you dey like this. You don't dey your gonna face me and slap you. Maybe you dey your own side of the mouth for the past. Kira.
I mean, send us to that kind of particular neighborhood I get. Yours calling name, talk the thing when he or she don't do. Whether una grow up, whether una in this adult age, wherever we point in your life, just mention the person. You know, concern us whether the person na okay, na Sunday, na Monday. You know, concern us. We don't know the person.
And if na you be the quarreler, which song do they use quarrel with people? Which song? When you say if you want quarrel with person, you go to sing them. You know, say plenty song like that. They God win, no, God win. They say we not go chop, but God win. Mama Kiru say we God win. Anyway, now welcome on top of the night show for today. My name is Nedu _ me and Easy Beat and the delectable, the sweetie, the tomato sauce. Hello, no, you don't spoil it. Maybe like in best side now. But why be say if you now want to do eyelashes, you now go do like in best side?
No, if you want to put the zero for eye, you must open now. If you open your mouth, the face they follow open. Do like it.
It may make you begin do hand.
But that thing you go see yourself. Go carry one hand for assistant. But you know that's what I tell you. Say,
but you see, to show you say women they very very wicked. My brother, check them. Is it bit? Imagine say with the makeup. We know the makeup, some kind men fine. Imagine say, now everything for woman body, now lie. Now,
no.
Woman, wait now, on us him no. Is it your talk? Now, woman go wake up in the morning, you go first go bath. Before you bath, you go carry Shelly. You go rub Shelly for face. Or you go carry one thing like that. Or the soap, you go rub them. Then when you come go bath, you come bath finish. Then you come rub cream. Come do tosa for the if in a person where they no shishi, where they smell. Then you come carry brazier, come put. Then come carry socks. Not because I know say that they put socks, so but not because I see where they put them, but then tell me say that they put socks. Then the ones where they are lasabia reduce be like fried egg. No, be like egg, normal egg. They'll come put socks under. The thing will come paliano like this. Then they'll come move. You know the guy when they say they look you, when they say they look you, mad. You're crazy. You want to touch me? They'll come put them up. That's not one. Then their hair. No, Asian kwacha. They'll come carry hair. Come wear hair. Then they'll come put lashes. The one where God give them, he never do for them. Come carry lashes. Maybe like when you sweep broom, pack them. Come put them. Then come rub cream. The one where bleach, where not be their normal thing, they go don't bleach already. Then they'll come wear cloth. Come climb on top. See, where not be their height. My brother, tell me, is that not lie? Then you can't come, babe. You can't look, see babe for club. They shake, you say, Jesus, someone see this babe with diet today. You carry babe, go house. Then, carry babe, go house. You can't, babe, come tell, baby, let me go and freshen up. Go and freshen up. She can't go. And that one again, they wear, I don't forget what's when they wear nyash. Then you come.
But no blame them now. What do you see is what do you like.
If now they wear six-pack,
But now they wear things for, you know, around
the ones where they wear bumper,
No, men know they wear this one around the
what do they wear?
area.
What do they wear? You wear okay.
When they wear things around
you
the
don't wear anything.
Around the environment.
Come outside, come see most what you wear. Come outside now.
Shebi me they talk am, not be you they talk am. Why you cause make I come outside?
You wear.
Now you come outside.
Now you come outside.
Is it you come outside?
Anyway, what will they discuss today on Top the Night Show? A very serious matter. So make us up to laugh. How your day today? Hope say wahala not. Those of them wey want do sallah. How na they prepare for sallah? And we were there, yeah, and I go send us to meet.
This salad, now the one with the.
This one with the big ram.
Oh, we kill meat.
We'll kill meat. They'll kill our killables. All of them, where they call us from Abuja, Katisina, Zamfara,
show some love.
Niger State, KB,
all of them.
All of them. Medugri, our phone numbers there on top of your TV now.
How they want
call
to
us
send
now. If you not send the meat, send them in cash. We go buy the meat here. You see meat are they like?
No.
We go market, we go buy the meat. We don't have
display them when I go see them.
We go that day, where be salad, we go display them here, they chop with toothpick.
Then we go to follow the yard.
Then those of them will send us the thing. We go say thank you to Muhammad Suleiman.
No, we'll come with our list. Thank you to the following people. Number 1.
Muhammad Suleiman.
From
Kirby.
Number 2.
Freeman.
From
Abuja.
Number 3.
Hello.
From
Warri.
Number 4.
Cindy.
From
Malaysia.
Number 5.
Sly.
From
Italy.
Number 6. Akaraka.
Hey, no, she not gonna give it another bit. She go give. We don't want that meat.
Why you go?
We don't want that meat. That meat. No, not that meat. Easy bit feel want that meat because she they kiss Easy bit. Then two they kiss themselves. Easy bit go need them.
No, Easy bit as part of S.
So that you go bring Easy bit tension down. Do you know you have can do spirit? You can do anything. It will bring your tension down. So back to serious business now. What will they discuss today? Now matter when they say concern one husband and wife. They don't marry now for 3 years. Now when they marry, them two been they work.
Yes.
I've been at the woman. Depend on really the man they work.
No. Two of.
No, only the man they work. Only the man they work. I no, Sha.
He get some time where they work.
He get some time where they work, Sha.
They work. But the man still they work.
The man still they work. So as something go happen and the man come out for the work, come begin do business. As he begin do business now, 1 year, 2 years.
The business, no, they move forward, no, they go permanent side.
No, they go anywhere. And my brother, to even chop, it hard for them. With children, 2 children, to even chop, it is very hard.
School fees, income.
School fees, it is there. Then do everything. Nothing they enter. The man go do this, submit this contract. Nothing go enter. He go submit this one.
He come be like KK from the village, like all those village people come there, they follow him, but he still try. Make no be say he no try.
May not be like say not try. Then
try.
lo and behold, one day, the woman come meet her ex-boyfriend.
She from market come that day when she meet him.
And even if na market, na church, anyway, you are not saying he meet her. He come meet her ex-boyfriend.
We don't blow.
We don't blow.
Senator.
We don't senator, thank you. The ex-boyfriend, we don't, no go call the senator name.
No. I beg you.
I will try hold my mouth.
I beg.
The ex-boyfriend, we don't become senator. Now.
Because
hey, what's up?
now you be after all these years.
After all these years, I see,
things.
say you did. What Abigail they call for now? I never talked to the finish. Abigail,
wait.
what you they call for now?
Not see they talk, they call you more and talk to you.
Okay, make I continue to talk, Abi.
Not be talk, they talk.
Oh, yeah, how are you?
I dey fine, how you dey?
I dey fine. Are you with me?
I'm very much with you.
So make I talk what they talk now. How far? What you go send to us now for Salah?
I dey fine, catching my baby.
Abigail, not the baby anything.
No,
what you go send us for Salah?
What do you want me to send to you for Salah?
My sister now what for you?
Everything. Cash, kind, everything.
We collect cat meat. Since you not send the meat from there, we will go. If you send us cash.
That one, I just send your account number and a small thing I need do.
We go send you account number, then make you send us. But how much you go send us? How that
na easy bit account I go send that food.
Wait, how much you go send?
Na easy bit account I go send
My
that.
sister, that money go lost. We don't want it. Na easy bit account, leave her.
No, I trust easy bit where we pass.
My sister, now your trust be that too.
The more you look, the less you see with TCB.
Katim and easy bit, I trust you now.
Okay.
So you don't trust me?
Yeah, I don't trust me.
Hey! Why now? What I do you?
Maybe I don't trust you, but I trust Katim and easy bit.
Oh yeah, send them to Katima account.
No, but I go send that to the account.
But because now guys, how much you go send us?
How much you want? Just tell me my if I go see it.
For you.
Yeah, 1 million. 1 million. 3 million.
3 million.
She go wrong.
I go send any amount where you want to do now.
500.
500,000, 550,000.
900.
I go put a 1.5 million.
You want your she buy, no go send us any money.
Hey, no, she on yara.
Bye. Joy from Abuja, good evening.
But we never even talk the matter now.
They make just make them just they talk.
Hello?
He don't go. He leave him.
Yeah.
You know how the thing disappear.
Yours like spirit.
He say he don't go. Hello, Joy.
Yo, girl.
You're not wonderful. You got that quality.
That time you go look like this.
Joy, girl.
Everybody admiring you.
She got like this.
You
got that joy quality. Then, Tamakul. This
it make free food fresher, drink cooler. This is the Tamakul 3450.
Then which one again?
Nice go biscuit, tasty biscuit.
They give them free advert. They give them free advert. They give them free advert.
Don't do.
We'll not sing again. Now back to topic what they discuss. We can't talk. Say this woman now.
Come meet
her ex-boyfriend. We don't be senator. Don't worry, I no go call it name. We don't be senator. Not be in and the boyfriend call, now wow, you never change, Joe. You're looking sexy.
Fine girl.
Tomato juice, hello.
Yeah,
still hot.
All these years.
So how far? Now the woman begin tell her say, see you. The guy come tell her say, no, okay, no problem. Say him go fit help her. Not be the husband. Say him go fit help her, give her some kind of money. But anything, the only thing where he want, now say make him sleep with her only once.
One evening, yours come and spend
just
the
once.
You know say they sweet for English. Come and spend the night with me.
Just come and spend the night with me. The woman can't begin the think and say,
how much she say go give her?
Wait first. Now they never talk the amount. The way they take stand the story, you go think say not be it come the woman come say no, she not go fit do that kind of thing. Blah 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 blah. Now the guy tell her say he go give her 20 million naira.
Yes. Say him dare him.
In say in go give her 20. Each when she just sleep with him for one night, in go give her that 20 million naira. Now the question where would they ask her now? We make them today. We will say make them so we discuss this matter today. So now we will advise this man and this woman. We not concern 3 person. Did the man the senator nothing concern them now? You wanna make it just drop money, do what you want to do. No, now 2 people they concern the husband and wife.
The husband and the wife.
Now if now you be the man, you go agree make your wife sleep with this in ex-boyfriend for one day, just one night, then collect 20 million. If now you be the woman,
go finish.
You go sleep with the man, collect the money, tell your husband, or you not go tell your husband, codedly, sleep with the man, collect the 20 million.
But what you go tell your husband?
Where you go tell him say you get the money?
Get the money.
If he lie one lie, sir. Hello, anybody? Hello, good evening. Somebody been there.
Hello, good evening.
Femi, good evening. Sorry, sir, we'll keep you for line since.
Try.
How is your ministry?
My ministry is fine. How's your side?
We do.
Hey, Kasim, how you doing now?
I there, see me here.
Hi, body now.
But they inside cloth.
My brother from how you doing?
Yes, boss, fine. Good evening.
Easy.
You fine today? You look fine, well. You try well.
Ah, boss, thank you very
Now
much.
this
Thank
my
you very much.
brother. They don't give a shit title for Igbo land.
Yes, now. I can't help you one.
I beg you, show your face. Why did they show you do? Make a say now.
Huh?
Now lie, now thief go to farm. No be your own.
Where you dey? Where you dey?
My sister. Where are they?
Where you dey?
I dey for former governor, former president's house.
My brother, you don't drink?
I know, now you give me now.
What do you dey see? Because if I say what you dey see, we not dey see am.
Now you. That record they deceive me very well. That record they deceive me, I don't come out down.
Okay.
I won't give you the ram.
I bet. Now which work you been dey do? Femi, which work you been dey do before?
Carpenter. Come on, your record. You do okay like that.
Wait, what you gonna give us for salad?
I'll give you.
This guy not figure. This guy don't drink.
Goat. I'll give you goats.
Goat. No, we don't want the goat. We want the money.
Money. You get land. You won't be there. I'll show you what this money do.
Oh yeah, bye.
Get out of here, man! In Igbo! When we come back, we go begin take una calls, make una talk to this husband and wife on top of this issue. This man, I don't know how he did one. But anyway, make we buy small chicken every day for you. When we come back, we'll continue it still on top of the night show.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.